Hello, my blessed child, my child that's loved so dearly, the apple of my eyes, my very own heart, Jesus here. How are you doing, my angel? Sweetie, I really hope you're doing great. I just want you to know that I love you so much, even more than you can ever imagine. I need you to know that I'm always here for you, even in times when it felt like I was far away. I want you to know that I can never leave you. You can always talk to me about anything. I will certainly understand you, my love. I want you to know that I understand all your hurt. I understand everything that may have caused you pain, and I'm really sorry about them all. I just want you to know that you're not alone. I have you in my arms. You can always find peace in my warm embrace. You can find healing in my arms of love. Please don't let the past make you feel done for. And I want you to please forgive all those who hurt you. I know it may be hard, but please know I'm here to help you. It's going to grant you so much peace and a feeling of newness, trust me. I love you so much, my child, your father, and love, Jesus.